feeling like a tattoo. The way you wear that dress, they gonna attack you. Way you look at me, baby, I got you.
What's up, gang? So today we are going to be going to the alligator farm and who knows what else. So y'all are gonna come with me. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Before we leave though, y'all already know I gotta wash my face. We're gonna be using Ambi and The Ordinary for my skincare. First step is to wash my face with the Black Soap Cleansing Bar by Ambi. I have my toner. I don't have my cotton pads, so we're just gonna spray it a little bit. I'm going to mix my Ambi moisturizer with The Ordinary's ascorbic powder. I don't know why, but my sister got it for me for Christmas, so whatever she says goes. Last step is this caffeine solution, also from The Ordinary. I just put it under my eyes. Alright, y'all, so here's the hoodie. There's stuff on the back. It's my new Bucky's one, and then we're going to use Nicki Minaj's Majesty as our perfume of the day. Yes. Oh, ignore that. We'll see what today brings us. So yeah, y'all are just gonna come for the ride. Here's the vlog. Oh, what's up? She's beating her face for the alligators. Maybe she'll find her future husband.
You guys want English? Not on period.
Anyways, y'all, Scoob not coming with us to the alligator farm. What are you eating? Tell the vlog.
Fried egg with baby.
I'm eating some special K, and we just vibing. Hello. Someone's going home today. Thumbs down.
I'm going home.
Yeah, so thumbs down.
Thumbs down.
Bless you. Big old thumbs down.
Big old thumbs down.
Yeah.
Bye bye.
We're on our way to the alligator farm.
Bombastic side eye.
Not having a good time, but alligators. Just get matching alligator cups.
Oh, that'd be cute. Do they have Sharpies?
Well, yes.
Dunkin' Donuts. Y'all, we've reached our destination of the alligator farm. I would have loved that one. I can't take one home. Right? Can I take one home? Can I pet that gator?
And want to.
Well, no.
Did you get him?
What does it do to it?
Let's see it. Let's see it.
There's a little animal.
Oh, we can't see it. Oh, wait. Ooh! Yeah, you're stuck with them.
They're so freaking big.
Sorry, Peyton, you can't go in there. What's over here?
Turtle.
I like turtles.
They're adorable.
Adorable. Well, yes.
Are you looking at these? Samsung and
Oh my God, Liana. It's one of those things.
Mr. Kipling is a Mrs. Kipling?
Yeah, that's a big snake. All right, get in. Yeah.
so cool. Hey, friend. Hello, sir. You looking like you want to jump at me.
Oh, that's a
What's in there?
big-headed turtle.
It's me.
Well, yes.
The fossils.
Look how good that's presented. Oh my God. Look at the butterflies.
These fossils are so cool.
I want these all.
That is sick. We're gonna go see him. We're not fall down the stairs. Maximo.
Fish are friends. Not food.
Look at the fish with it. That is so cool.
Look at this.
He has a friend. In here, we got the baby crocodile. Look how little. These are crocodile fossils.
No, we're protected. These are authentic.
So pretty.
This just goes to show that birds are related to dinosaurs.
Yes.
Yeah, look at the head. You can tell.
Not on period.
He wants to be friends.
Well, no.
I wish you could put your head in that.
You cannot be for real.
They are so cool. So, this is actually like the real thing. They just got him stuffed. He is sick. 18 feet. Can you go lay next to him? And they got a little video about him playing. Like, he really him. This is Timothy.
Not on period.
Sick. And these butterflies. I love butterflies. This is about. They see it. He's a killer.
Well, yes.
He looked innocent to me.
Well, no.
He's killed a number of village people. But look how big he was. They captured him. That's kind of crazy. Look at the birdies. I want some of those birds.
Look at these over here. Look how big.
I need a flamingo in my life. Y'all, so you can get alligator food for 25 cents. We're about to find out if Peyton has 25 cents. I might have another quarter anyway. Do you have a quarter? You don't have a quarter? No. That's not a quarter. I don't have a quarter. Let's see if I have a quarter.
Another.
Is that a quarter?
No.
No. Do I have my? No. I don't have a quarter. We can't feed them. It's okay. No, it's not. Also, we're still walking the swamp. Look how many freaking gators there are. My fault. I didn't mean to name you. No, these are gators, right? Okay, Miss Alligator Expert. They're so cute. He wants to be my friend. Look at
Well, no.
they want to be friends.
They're gonna jump up and bite.
Get Peyton just speeding through everybody. Like, where are you going? How are you gonna get the bird? You gonna get in there? Yeah. No balls. I'm just kidding.
You know I would.
Racing? You think I can kidnap one?
Well, no.
So we were just notified that someone jumped in here in the middle of the night and was mauled.
You cannot be for real. Oh my God, you for real.
Would you jump in there?
Yeah.
I sure would. Like, it seems like such a nice little vibe.
Shut the fuck up.
Y'all, now we're looking for a bathroom. Danger, do not climb. I want to climb it.
Me? Am I the drama?
Look, PVC, there's a zipline thingy.
I'm about to get pooped on.
What do you mean by that?
Bathrooms have been found. That says men.
I know. Where's the book?
I don't know.
There.
That's the men's
It's
bathroom.
on there.
Y'all, it's such a nice day. Look at it.
Where'd Rick go?
Look at the bird. Y'all, what if I steal it? Then what?
I think you want to say we suing.
He's over there against the wall. He wants to be friends.
They're trying to escape, isn't it? Mike, look at it. Mike, is that a turtle or a snake? Turtle snake.
It's a dwarf crocodile.
It's a dwarf.
It's a dwarf. Oh, look how pretty this bird is. Mr. Pheasant. You are so pretty. He doesn't want to be friends with me. And FaceTiming her mother.
It's a beautiful coat.
They didn't have the alligators, but they had little turtles.
You want to go sit with them?
How would you rate your alligator farm experience? Oh, how would you rate?
10.
Not on period.
How's the pretzel? I'm waiting for my nachos. It's a little turtle that was crushed. 9 scored.
Finn. Noggin. Yeah.
I hope y'all are enjoying this vlog. Yeah, share with the vlog. Share with the people. Y'all want to sip? It's blue raspberry. Thank you. Y'all be stuck in the nachos. It's a long nachos. Y'all, now it's time for the gift shop, and then we're gonna be out. Alright, y'all, so we have some casualties. My phone died while we were in the gift shop. We got these. Haul when we get back. Look at this one. Great experience. 10 out of 10. Oh. Is your tongue a different color? Slay. Alright, y'all, so boom. This is my ring. If y'all see my nails are off, mind business. I got this from my mom. It says Princess Court. Myself a cute little bracelet, and it's got a little turtle on it.
I like turtles.
And then I was swearing up and down that these alligators wanted to be my best friend. And my friend Kenyon kept telling me they don't want to be my friend.
If you know how I feel, why would you say that?
So I got this matching, well, not really matching, but like, you know, alligator teeth. So yeah, those are nice little necklaces. But that was it for the alligator farm. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next video.